You're getting a little close. You know sticks fight, right, Uncle Dave? It's a sticks fight. Yeah, a stick will. The stick will fight. You said false alarm, a stick fights. The yellow, right? The yellow guard spot? Yeah. $15? Goddamn. Getting warmer. Uh, 12:30. Yep. Yep. That's what it said. Have you seen what the tournament guys are doing now? Have you seen the new, like, the fish finder the tournament guys are using? The live scope? Yeah, they throw their lure in the water, they watch a fish come up and take it. Yeah, I don't think it'll be good for the Delta. It's cool stuff they're coming out with though. They want way too much money for it. Well, one of the pro guys I was watching on the ad, he said he doesn't even, all he does is just look at the freaking thing now. He doesn't even look at the water anymore. Yeah. Well, what's the fun in that? You're watching a screen, it's like playing a game.